In this video, you will discover how to prepare colored background paper for life drawing.
In the Life Drawing Academy videos, you will see several artworks done on colored background paper. You don't have to buy colored paper. It is easy to make your own. Knowing how to tone paper is especially helpful when you need some specific color that is not available on the market. The best paper for the job is 100% cotton watercolor paper. There are several brands to choose from, and it is up to you what paper to use. A staple gun is used to fix paper to the board. In a way, stretching paper is very similar to stretching canvas. When the paper is properly stretched, I turn it over and let it dry overnight. When the paper is fully dry, we can decide on a color. Of course, you can use big flat brushes to apply paint, but I will show you how to tone large size papers using much smaller brushes. Because the board is tilted slightly and the strokes are diagonal, gravity does the job of mixing brushstrokes, so water flows from one stroke to another, making a smooth, wet layer of paint. Ensure that you work with constant speed. Any faster and slower runs will end up as lighter and darker stripes. I particularly love this method because when I draw on manually toned 100% cotton paper, I can use a rubber eraser to erase watercolor paint to an almost white surface without damaging tough paper.